COVID cases have declined sharply, and the U.S. is finally making progress against the pandemic. Confirmed cases are falling as people are being vaccinated. However, officials suggest to not let our guard down on the deadly disease.
Within the next few weeks, we'll see substantial decreases in deaths in nursing homes and people over 65, and that is an impact of the vaccines kicking in.
In addition to those measures, the U.S. is focused on getting Americans vaccinated. CDC officials say that every American that needs a COVID-19 vaccine should receive it by late summer of 2021. Fear over new kinds of COVID is spreading this morning, even faster than the virus itself. SFMN's Helen Acevedo takes a close look at how concerned the medical experts are about them.
By now, variant is a word you've heard over and over again.
Variants remain a great concern, and we continue to detect them in the United States.
So, let's answer a few questions you may have. First, what is it about these variants that has medical experts most worried?
The more infection there is in a community, in a country, the likelihood, almost the certainty that there will be variants. And the virus's goal is to survive, so it will be the strongest variants that will eventually survive.
The variants that have been identified recently seem to spread more easily, and there's concern they could become more dominant in the US by the spring. So what about the vaccine's effectiveness against the new variants?
Even though there is a diminished protection against the variants, there's enough protection to prevent you from getting serious disease, including hospitalization and deaths.
But what if I can't get a vaccine right now?
First, wear a mask, stay 6 feet apart. Second, please avoid crowds and poorly ventilated areas. Third, now is not the time to travel.
How will all of that make a difference?
There is less virus spreading, and the conditions that produce variants are decreased.
So public health measures and getting people vaccinated could help prevent future variants too?
Viruses cannot mutate if they don't replicate.
There is light at the end of the tunnel, but it's going to be up to us to step to the plate.
Helen Acevedo, South Florida Media Network.